All right, just a real quick refresher here on the butterfly method. Remember, we can use the butterfly method for adding fractions, for subtracting fractions, and for comparing fractions, figuring out which one's bigger. And you start out with your two fractions. So for this one, we're going to start out with 3/4 and 1/2. You start out real simple and real basic. Now, you might know which one of these is bigger or how to add these together. But the butterfly method, remember, is a way that we can find common denominators. So what I want to do first is I want to make my butterfly wings. And you do that by circling or drawing lines on the opposite corners of your numbers. So the bottom left goes to the top right, the bottom right goes to the top left. I kind of like this because it makes a multiplication sign, which tells me what to do next. It also looks like a butterfly. So what I do next is I multiply up. So I'm going to take 4 times 1, and 4 times 1 is 4, and I write that where the arrow is pointing. 2 times 3 is 6, and I write that where the arrow is pointing. If I stop right here, I can easily tell which fraction is bigger by looking at the numbers that I wrote up here. 6 is bigger than 4, so I know that 3/4 is bigger than 1/2. But if I want to add or subtract these, there's a couple extra steps I need to take. The first extra step is to multiply the bottom together, and that gets me my common denominator. So 4 times 2 is 8. So now I actually have made two new fractions. I have 6/8 and I have 4/8. Once I have those, I can easily add or subtract those. So 6/8 plus 4/8 or 6/8 minus 4/8 are very simple problems because I already have a common denominator. The common denominator on both of these is 8. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, these are both simplifiable fractions. This is an improper fraction. This could be simplified, but we'll get to that in a later video.